this is Rozina and welcome back to another episode of Let's Cook with Rozina. I'm feeling adventurous today and I'm gonna tell you about this. Did you surprise? That's right, it's pomegranate seeds and eggs omelette. Omelettes are popular and easy to make dish. However, many people only know about cheese omelette or tomato omelette. But in fact, there are many types of different omelettes. And you can make a new one each time. And one of these new omelettes is Iranian pomegranate seeds and egg omelette or Omlete Anar. Omlete Anar in Farsi, which translates to pomegranate omelette. It's from Gilan province in north of Iran, made with simple ingredients. This flavorful omelette also has a home in Baku, Azerbaijan, where it's known as Narnumru or Narnumru. Pomegranate seeds and eggs omelette or Omlete Anar is a delicious and unique dish as a breakfast, lunch or a light dinner. It often served with bread or over the rice. Pomegranate omelette or Omlete Anar is a great, delicious and quick dish for any time of the day. So if you have never tried pomegranate omelette before, you have to try Iranian Omlete Anar or pomegranate seeds and egg omelette. You will need a few ingredients like eggs, pomegranate seeds and onion. These ruby pomegranate seeds with their sweet and tart flavor are a star of this omelette, and the vibrant red color of seeds making this omelette visually appealing. Check the description box below for the written ingredients. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Melt 3 tablespoons of butter in a pan over medium heat. Whatever size pan you use, be sure it has a good non-stick coating. Add 1 finely chopped onion to the pan, stirring occasionally and saute until softened and translucent. I love the way onions smell when they fry. The smell of the onions hitting the hot pan, and it's pure comfort food to me. So inviting. Oh, by the way, some recipes include chopped garlic for an extra savory element, so feel free to add it if you like. And season with salt and pepper and give a stir. Next, add pomegranate seeds to the pan with the fried onions and stir gently to combine, taking care not to crush the seeds because we want to keep the pomegranate seeds whole so they burst in your mouth with their sweet and sour juice. Cover the pan and saute pomegranate seeds for a minute or two, just to warm them slightly. And you know, pomegranate seeds can be eaten on their own or added to salads or used as a garnish for other dishes. If you are looking for more content like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, next we're going to cook the omelette. I'm going to add 3 eggs to the pan. You can either cook the eggs sunny side up by cracking them directly into the pan, or you can scramble them first in a bowl before adding them to the pan, and then season with salt and pepper and let the egg cook until the whites are set and yolk is cooked to your preference, runny or firm. Perfect. Looks amazing. Wow, this pomegranate omelette is gorgeous. Just look at it. Once the whites are set and the yolks are cooked to your preference, runny or firm, remove the pan from the heat. Pomegranate omelette can be served with either toasted or plain bread or with rice. The bread provides a hearty base for this dish, while the rice helps to soak up the flavorful sauce. So for an extra touch, I spread some butter on the bread before serving. Okay, and now I'm just going to slide this gorgeous pomegranate omelette on buttered bread. Just look at that. Cool. This dish is especially beautiful due to the vibrant red ruby color of these beautiful pomegranate seeds. Okay, the taste testing session is now beginning. The taste of pomegranate omelette is a combination of the sweet and sour taste of pomegranate seeds, the mild taste of eggs, and the spicy taste of fried onion. These pomegranate seeds, like tiny ruby gems, add an amazing color and elegance to your omelette. You have to give it a try. Please join our community by subscribing. It's free and it only takes a few seconds. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this. Until next one, God bless and lots of love. Bye.